Hey everyone, George with the farm here. Today I'm going to be recording Natalie Lobu as she does a performance on her crystal bowls with the new Shure MV88 Plus Video. So all the audio you hear is recorded with this mic. Actually that mic, but it looks just like this one. And Natalie's going to perform a sound bath. And why don't you give us a little bit of detail as to what the sound bath does?
Yeah, sure. So each bowl is a different note, and each bowl is a full octave of a note. And sound baths really help relax the nervous system. They help balance right and left hemispheres of the brain, and they even help slow down brainwave activity down to alpha or theta, which can help you reprogram your mind. So the goal here is meditation made easy, and the way the sound moves, it'll start to pour the vibrations through the body. So there's a little bit of a healing aspect to it as well, if you're open.
And there you go. All right, so without further ado,
So be it, so it is.
absolutely amazing tones. Once again, we're using the Shure MV88 Plus to record everything. For all the audio people out there, that was done in uncompressed wave format and 1080p. Thanks so much.